Actually, Hotmail isn't really Hotmail anymore. It's now part of Outlook.com under Microsoft. But don't worry, your old Hotmail address still works the same. So if you're not getting your email verification code, here's what you do. First, check every folder, junk, spam, promotions, and other. Microsoft usually sends the code from account protection at Microsoft.com, and it can easily get filtered. If you still don't see it, click resend code, but don't keep spamming it. Microsoft sometimes blocks too many attempts. If the code's supposed to go to your phone, make sure the number on screen is correct. Check your message settings and see if short codes are being blocked. Restart your phone and try again. You can also switch browsers or devices. Sometimes cached data stops codes from coming through. And make sure to add at accountprotection.microsoft.com to your safe senders list so this won't happen again. If you've tried everything and still nothing, go to account.live.com/ACSR. That's Microsoft's official recovery page. Fill it out carefully, and they'll help you verify your account manually. And here's a pro tip: set up the Microsoft Authenticator app so you can skip waiting for codes entirely. Just one tap and you're in. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.